dear, how are you? Today I'm doing the dance Little Mockingbird Chant. 32 counts forward, beginner dance. Here's the dance. First section, raise on your right, start with the left. Forward rock, recover. Back, lock, back. Back rock, recover. Step, lock, step. Next section. Forward, 1/4 right. Cross, side, cross. Side rock, recover. Behind, side, forward. Next section. Forward, half turn right, step, lock, step. And then forward, half turn left, step, lock, step. Last section. Stomp and stomp. Right, touch up, right diagonal together. Left touch out, diagonal together. Last two counts, touch ups again together. And there's an option at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. At the last section, the first two counts, 1 and 2, you can either do stomp or bump and boom. And that's the dance count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the dance.